Hello and welcome to Cooking Cheap, Easy, and Tasty Meals. I'm John, and today we're going to make shrimp scampi with spaghetti squash. Since I'm cooking this for 2 people, I bought a small spaghetti squash. The first thing you want to do is carefully cut the spaghetti squash in half. You need a good grip and a strong knife, or strong grip and a good knife. Next, take a spoon and scoop out the seeds from each side of the spaghetti squash. If you like to, you can take these seeds, dry them off, remove them from the mess that they're in, and bake them just like you would pumpkin seeds. A little salt in the oven, they're pretty good. Now take a small cookie sheet, put a little olive oil in it, spread it around, and then put half of the spaghetti squash on the sheet with the cut side down. Put it in the oven and bake it at 375 for 45 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool. Now set your skillet to medium-high and melt a tablespoon of butter in the pan. When the butter is almost completely melted, add the shrimp, either fresh or thawed, to the pan and cook the first side for 2 minutes. This little gadget is an easy way to peel garlic cloves. After 2 minutes, turn the shrimp over and cook for an additional minute. Add 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, either cut roughly or minced, whichever you prefer. After the garlic is cooked for another 30 seconds, add the wine and let it cook until it begins to evaporate. That should take about 2 minutes. After another 2 minutes, add the juice and zest of a lemon. Stir the zest and the lemon juice into the mixture. Now add the Parmesan and stir it into the mixture. After this Parmesan is melted, add the parsley and stir into the mixture. While the shrimp scampi continues simmering, take 1/2 of the spaghetti squash and using a fork, scrape out the strands of squash into a bowl. Depending on how much you need, you may only need 1/2 of the spaghetti squash, or you may be able to use both. Since this dish was being prepared for 2, I only used 1/2 of the spaghetti squash for this meal and saved the second half for a spaghetti and meatball dish that I prepared later in the day. I split the spaghetti squash between 2 bowls so that I could share the shrimp scampi with my wife. If you want a thicker sauce, add more Parmesan. Spaghetti squash makes a delicious change from the noodles you would normally use in this dish. Try it, I think you'll like it.